Welcome back to Deutsche Tech Performance. Today, guys, we have a Porsche 911 Turbo. I'm fitting a B16 coilover kit along with new top mounts. The car's 11 years old now. The top mounts aren't great on these cars anyway, so replacing them for genuine Porsche ones. First thing I need to do is strip the interior to get to the rear shocks, and obviously this vehicle has centre drive lock wheels, so I will be removing them with our special tool. So I'll get to it, strip it all down. Right guys, that is the B16s fitted to this 997. We've set it to a reasonable ride height. Customer did say that he wants to be able to get over speed ramps, so we'll allow it to settle for a couple of 100 miles. He will come back and we'll set it up, level it exactly how it needs to be and do the geometry, but for now this is how it sits. I've road tested it. The difference between the standard stuff and this is well, it's just crazy, the difference really. I mean, they're 11-year-old top mounts, 11-year-old springs, both rear springs were snapped. So yeah, it drives 10 times better, feels a lot more planted on the road. So if you guys are interested in any sort of coilovers, Bilsteins or H&R springs or anything like that, just give us a shout and we'll price you up.